2014-2015. That is Cordoba. Well, Orlando Pirates are champions and they are current champions in how they start. This is the starting lineup of Orlando Pirates. In between the sticks, it is Lada, and keep the Orlando Pirates defense restless as they go in search of their continued dominance. And of course, of their side, the Orlando Pirates will do the traditional skull and bones in greeting the fans, of course, that have come through in attendance.
Be part of Orlando Pirates. Doors will open for you. You'll start flying high. Rele has set the example. The dream goes on for a lot of the new players that have just joined in with the senior team.
Well, up and away we are in this particular encounter. Starting, it's the home side that kick us off in maroon with a touch of white on their tops and shorts. They'll be taking the goals from the left-hand side of your picture to the right-hand side of your picture. While Orlando Pirates in their white with a touch of black and red as well. They'll be defending from right-hand side to your picture and attacking towards the left-hand side for the first half of this particular encounter. Already the home side showing a little bit of fluidity in their passing game.
We are in Spain. They don't...
Masonganya gives away the ball cheaply. Dispossessed and one. Orlando Pirates coming through, coming forward, getting into their strides now, looking to try and get it in. Looking to really enforce their style. He can shoot from there. Opts to just try and play a quick interchange of passes.
Right-hand side and bringing any tricky shot for cross for defenders to deal with. Just couldn't get it on target. You know, wearing a tie and just controls that ball. Just shows the class of a man that a footballer he has been.
Well, once and always. Once a footballer, always a footballer. Well, a strike from a distance. Doesn't get those goals. Just possessed with ease. Forward they go now. What can they do? Look for a cross back in. Well, defensively, Orlando Pirates.
That's the first time I see him play the ball with the right foot.
Switches ends to Dina van Rooy. Looking to try and feed. Plays it through the middle, looking for Pecan. Zaza off his line very quickly to gather that ball. Make life easy for himself. Play down the middle. And the Pirates looking to switch hands. Now looking to go out wide. Does well. Bring it under control is Zulu. What can he do? Does well to find a teammate. Mariko. They keep it going. Maswanganya leaves it. Oh, gets it again. Zulu looking for a decent ball into the box. Doesn't get one. Easily dealt with defensively. Pressing Orlando Pirates, and that's almost working for them. As well as also a player that went off. Of course, the biggest one is of Mufukeng having left as well. Popo plays it short with Maswanganya, whips one into the far post it goes. A little bit overcooked. But the relentless attack kept on going through. Igotis Monus trying to get one into the box again, looking to combine with Diego Pecan. It just didn't work all out well. Well, Tatsende with the corner. And Orlando Pirates having to work hard in clearing their lines. Well, wasn't done as yet. Had ample opportunities is Andagasia to get the side ahead in this encounter. Not an easy one.
But they've shown intent. I mean, if you look at how they've moved the ball around, how they've set themselves up to pull the trigger and force a save out of the keeper. I mean, so far, for me, you know, Dada has been the busiest of the goalkeepers because he has been tested. Good touches as well. Been out there. Very smart.
Cateres gets it in there. Opportunity. Well, corner begging.
was Opama.
He made his national team debut in the very same season as well, so it tells you the pressure that comes with donning the black and white of Orlando Pirates for what they can't play it into the box in easy. As Masonga again, the referee doesn't say much. He continues, moves forward. Now what can he do? Pecan gets it onto his left. Well, eventually dealt with defensively. Cuts on the inside now. Badime. Forward he moves. Looking for options. Finds Lungu. Now operating on a different side. Well, first touch, not the best.
He wants to have this thing flowing.
Not looking to try and get into their strands. Not given enough space, of course. Looking to try and see how he can outsmart the defense. Oh, Denzel's pass 1, 2, stopped in the third attempt, of course. Yes, out wide it goes. Orlando Pirates coming forward and looking to try and play it with the intention. It's a corner. First one in the second half. Orlando Pirates, third one of the encounter. Now Rapo to deliver the corner. Delivers one. It's an outswinger. Doesn't really get to a teammate. Cleared out. Long ball. What can they do now? Looking to trouble the defense of Orlando Pirates. They are nippy. Well, loose ball. Blocked. Can Orlando Pirates play out in transition now? The Buccaneers looking to get.
That's in Tonga.
Lungu does get the better of two. Looking to try and offload. Maswanganye. Good pace from Lungu. Rapo. Can he supply into the box? 4 in the box. Maswanganye looking to keep it alive. Tito. Zulu. Van Rooyen was looking for a return ball. Zulu! Wow. Needed that kind of defense.
Orlando Pirates in the second half, early stages, probing in that box.
No opportunity!
What a goal!
Oh, they find the back of the net. It's Cordoba. They open the scoring. Very late though. But they'll be happy that it finally came. They looked as a finally they what they have been looking for on a turn. Sniper, Chevi Andras.